What's up guys, this is Nursa from Decktopus and I proudly present our new video called 10 Tips on How to Become a Better Presenter. As you know, we already covered some very important tips in our previous videos, such as engaging your audience, using body language, visual aids, and more. And now from establishing a clear purpose to using humor and interactive elements, we'll cover a range of strategies to help you improve your presentation skills. So let's get started. Establish a clean purpose. So first things first, before you create a presentation, you first have to clarify the specific purpose and goals you want to achieve. This will help you stay focused and make sure that your message is coherent. Practice active listening. Being a good listener is just as important as being a good speaker. By actively listening to your audience's feedback, questions, and concerns, you can adjust your presentation and make sure you deliver an on-point message. Use your voice effectively. Your voice is a very powerful tool to convey your message. Practice varying your tone, pitch, and speed to emphasize important points and keep your audience hooked. Use metaphors. Metaphors can also be a really powerful tool to help your audience understand complex concepts and ideas. By comparing your topic to something similar, you can actually make it more relatable and memorable. Know your material inside and out. Knowing your material can boost your confidence and help you deliver a more compelling presentation. Research and rehearse your topic thoroughly to ensure that you're prepared for any questions or challenges. Use props or demonstrations to add interest. Use physical objects or demonstrations to illustrate your point and add interest to your presentation. For instance, if you're presenting on a new product, you can definitely bring a prototype with you in order to demonstrate its features. Just be sure that your props or demonstrations are relevant to your main point and enhance your message. Use humor to connect. Humor can also be a really powerful tool to engage with your audience and make your presentation much more memorable. Definitely look out for appropriate moments to use humor, but be careful not to detract your message. Keep your energy high. Your energy level can definitely influence your audience's engagement and attention. Practice maintaining high energy throughout your presentation using movements and gestures to keep your audience interested. Dress appropriately. The way you dress can also affect your credibility and connection with your audience. Dress appropriately for your audience and occasion, aiming to strike a balance between professionalism and approachability. And with a clear call to action. A strong call to action can definitely motivate your audience to take action based on your message. End your presentation with a clear and compelling call to action that inspires your audience to act. And that concludes our video on 10 tips to become a better presenter. We really hope these tips have given you some ideas on how to improve your presentation skills and connect with your audience. Becoming a better speaker or a presenter takes time and practice. So don't be afraid to try out new strategies and experiment with different approaches. And of course, please don't forget to visit our website at www.decktopus.com to create presentations like no other. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.